Defeats factory radio's load sensing mute function. Plugs into audio control processors and amps. Compatible with most devices with speaker-level inputs bypass your factory radio's shutdown circuit. Some factory radios and amplifiers will not work without sensing that speakers, low-impedance loads, are connected to their outputs, so successfully installing an aftermarket sound processor or amplifier becomes a challenge. AudioControl's AC-LGD load-generating devices solve this issue by generating an acceptable impedance load and stabilizing the signal for the factory system to handle. The AC-LGDs plug directly into any audio control line output converter, LOC, signal processor, or amplifier with speaker-level inputs. You can also use AC-LGDs with almost any non-audio control device by replacing the connectors. Top reviews from the United States. 6 out of 5 stars. Like all things from AudioControl, it does exactly what it's designed to do. Thank you AudioControl. 6 out of 5 stars.